Welcome to bookings. This is very straightforward. Basically, all the bookings that you have made for your trip will stay here and you can see everything at one glance. It's split into two sections. First is your pre-trip bookings, things like your travel insurance, your Wi-Fi dongle that you have booked, or any other pre-trip stuff that you have booked. And next is the actual trip bookings, things like your flights, your lodging, your 5-star Michelin meals at restaurants that you have booked, etc. So we have the category over here. Is it a flight? Is it a lodging? Is it a restaurant meal? Where is it? The country, city usually that I will put here, and then the description, details. Which airline are you taking? Which hotel are you staying? Which restaurant are you going to eat at? Booking codes, if any, your check-in dates and check-in time, check-out date and check-out time. How much does it cost? So the first column is in the currency of the country that you are in. So remember to change this to the country's currency. It could be maybe Australian dollars or US dollars. And the next column is in the currency of your home country. So remember to change this to your home currency. Fill in the exchange rate over here, and this will lead to the formulas being auto-populated. So you don't have to calculate what is 1,000 euros in your home currency. Next, we have the address. If you would like to put it in, I think it's very useful so you know exactly where you need to go, where is your hotel. And if you need to call them, then that's the phone number over here. What's the cancellation policy? It's free until, what date is that, what time is it, which time zone is it as well. And if you have other notes, then it will live over here.